You're asking about the synergy of Accept in the United Tractors Group. Actually, the number one accept will be on the financial synergy. If you recall, actually as a construction contractor, there are a lot of requirements with regards to the working capital. Before our acquisition, in terms of the cost of fund, in terms of the bankability of Accept, is less superior compared with the fact that you already inside the company. So by having United Tractors, the bankability of Accept is getting better. So in terms of the source of funding, in terms of the cost of funding will be much competitive. That's number one synergy that you can obtain from United Tractors as a shareholder. You will diversify your source of funding, and you will reduce your cost of funding. That's number one. Number two, we are still pursuing for the synergy, not only with United Tractors, but with Astra Group as a total. Astra Group has a lot of huge capex with regards to the automotive, including the automotive warehouse, automotive workshop, building, automotive factories, including Astra Properties and Astra Infrastructure. Those are the future synergy that we are expecting from not only United Tractors but also Astra Group with Accept.